The true cost of running an aircraft maintenance organization. Most people think aircraft maintenance is just tools, hangars, and engineers. But behind the scenes, the real cost is enormous. And most of it is hidden. Hangar costs. It's not just a building, it's one of the most expensive pieces of real estate on the airport. Leases, utilities, apron access, taxes. A major city hangar can cost over $100,000 a month before a single wrench turns. Training. Training never stops. Type courses, human factors, fuel tank safety, SMS, OJT. A single engineer might cost $20,000 to $40,000 just to remain current. Multiply that by dozens of staff, and the numbers explode. Tooling and GSE. Hand tools, powered tools, test equipment, bore scopes, jacks, GPU units. And everything must be calibrated. Every year. Medium MROs burn $200,000 to $500,000 annually on calibration alone. Salaries and hidden labor costs. People are the biggest cost. Licensed engineers, technicians, planners, QA, camo, engineering. But the hidden costs hit even harder. Night shift penalties, backfilling leave, overtime for AOG events, supervision layers, retention costs. A 24/7 maintenance team is incredibly expensive to maintain. Insurance. Insurance is brutal. Public liability, hangar keepers insurance, workers' compensation, professional indemnity. Large organizations pay over $1 million a year just in insurance. Regulatory compliance. Regulation keeps aviation safe, but it's expensive. CASA audits, internal audits, exposition updates, capability approvals. Even OEM maintenance data subscriptions can cost $150,000 per aircraft type per year. Consumables and logistics. Even the cheap stuff adds up. Fasteners, sealants, grease, PPE, freight, AOG shipping. Small items, massive yearly cost. Software and data. Modern maintenance runs on software. MRO systems, SMS platforms, electronic tech logs, digital record keeping. For a medium to large MRO, that's $300,000 to $2 million per year. So what's the true cost of running a maintenance organization? 25 to 100 million every year. Because maintenance isn't expensive, safety is. Every strap, every audit, every training session protects lives at 35,000 feet. Jotore Aviation, engineering, compliance, operational excellence. Like and subscribe to Jotore Aviation Consultancy for more engineering insights.